Celebrating the 1-year anniversary of Deltarune Chapter 3 and 4, and my resurrection back into the creative space. Thank you, Toby. Welcome to Lightner's Live. Finally! I've been itching to say that. Snowgrave will have to be on hold for now, because it's time to raise your bat. Welcome to June's contest. If you're new here, here's the lowdown real quick. Every quarter of the year, I release one of my pictures to the community to finish with me. So everything that you're seeing on screen right now, you can have. That's right. You can download these sketches right now. No cost, no strings attached, and no soul required. Entries will be shared on my YouTube posts so everyone can see your beautiful work. And participants that make the deadline will get a critique of their piece at the end. If at least 10 people participate, you unlock prizes. So spread the word. Or if you're just curious, you can simply download these sketches and mess around. I don't care. You're welcome to sign and post your work, of course, but only caveat is that you credit your sources and tell people where it came from. My contests are not a showcase of skill. They're an optional challenge welcoming originality and creativity, so all levels are welcome. And if you don't have time, save it for later and email me for feedback whenever you want. How can you take what I've created and make it yours? Print it, animate it, or simply start from scratch? The choice is up to you. Deadline is 4th of July. Line art will hopefully be done soon, so be on the lookout via my YouTube posts. Also, as of this video, I can finally get back to summer streams. And our first stop? I will finally play Deltarune. Yes, I haven't played it, so let's fix that. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Stream time is now changing to Mondays at 3 p.m. PST. See you soon, Lightners.